Hey, it's Noe with WTI. If you're tired of seeing a messy pile of shoes at your entryway, then check out this amazing rattan shoe organizer from Barnyatoh. What I love about this shoe organizer is that not only does it have 2 drawers for your shoes, but it also has a shelf, and on the side, it has 2 hooks, which makes this cabinet great for an entryway, for a bedroom, for a mudroom. This shoe cabinet is slim, which makes it perfect for small spaces. The rattan on this is beautiful. And what I love most, it's glued onto the wood. So you don't have to worry about puncturing it or even odors passing through. The hardware on here is beautiful. The black against the light oak look is absolutely stunning. We live in a split level home, so the entryway is very small. So this was very practical to have behind the door and to be able to store multiple pairs of shoes. I love that in each of the drawers, if you do have larger shoes, you can remove the middle slat and it'll allow for bulkier shoes to be placed in there. But I love that it is able to hold so many shoes. This piece was easy to put together. The instructions were clear. It came with absolutely everything you might need. I would recommend that once you get to the drawers that you have 2 people to help you put the necessary parts in place. This is a durable piece and I love the weight of it. So if you're looking for a high quality piece, then look no further. I would highly recommend this rattan shoe cabinet from Barnyatoh. And that's my point of view.